Hi, and welcome back. Today is October 26th, Monday, October 26th, and today we are starting Module 8, Defining and Designing Qualitative Research. Today I'm going to talk about a couple things. First, what is qualitative research? Second, why is it similar and why is it different than quantitative research? A couple of the benefits of research, and some closing comments. First is, what is qualitative research? Qualitative research is an array of different types of approaches to conducting research. Both qualitative and quantitative use the same sections of a proposal, meaning a problem, a hypothesis, a literature review, a data collection, data analysis section, and then a report. So that's for a completed study. Now, what's the differences? The differences are that qualitative goes about conducting the data collection and analysis in a radically different way than qualitative. One thing I really like about qualitative is, number one, it can add a thick, rich description to quantitative research. Often what we find is when we do quantitative research, we get the answer to a problem such as A and B are significantly correlated, but the question is not provided, the answer to the question is not provided why they're related. All you get is a mathematical number saying they are closely related, and you infer why. Well, that inference then isn't a thick, rich description. Qualitative research then allows you to discuss the reason why. So when qualitative and quantitative are used together as a hybrid approach, you have a much more robust article or much more robust research that is produced. So this is the benefits and some of the uses of qualitative research in conjunction with quantitative. Now, let's talk about the differences. The differences are fairly significant. There's a chart or a list of differences on page 450 of the text, and also I've provided a list of differences that in a PowerPoint format that is a new PowerPoint posted to the content section of D2L. So what are these differences? Quantitative versus qualitative. First and foremost is that quantitative is used as a predictive model, as a model that will give you results that you can generalize to the future performance of a population, where qualitative is a approach that seeks understanding as to why a question may or may not be answered. So, based on the list, we can look at another point such as reality. The quantitative research is based on this idea that we are dealing with a specific set of facts which are reality in the current, and the qualitative research is definitely dynamic, meaning the facts can change. It's in a naturalistic observation, and when we're talking about this idea of emergent research methods, then you are literally changing the process as you're following new facts as they come out. So it allows this type of discovery. So those are a couple of the differences, similarities and differences, and I find this qualitative research to be a tremendous help, and sometimes the only way of doing research on a specific topic, and sometimes as a tremendous supplement to quantitative research. So thank you for tuning in, and I'll be discussing the next chapter in a separate screencast.